Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the recording quality of the Auna Mic CM900. It's a microphone that's connected via USB and I'm recording via Audacity. In this video there's no unboxing, no explanation to the microphone, no nothing. It's just me recording my voice when I'm talking. I'm in a room. All doors and windows are closed. I did not put up any special sound foam or whatever. And there's a road about 10 meters away from my window. I don't know if you can hear anything, but yeah. I'm now going to read a Wikipedia article about the Myers-Briggs type indicator, because it's something of personal interest. And yeah, you can listen and get a feel for how well the recording quality of this microphone is. I'm about, I would say 20 centimeters away, which is like 2/3 of a feet. I can also get a little bit more close to the microphone. Now I'm about 3 centimeters away. And now I am about 30 centimeters, maybe 1 foot away, maybe 40. Okay, so let's go. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, is an introspective self-report questionnaire indicating different psychological preferences in how people perceive the world and make decisions. The test attempts to assign 4 categories: introversion or extroversion, sensing or intuition, thinking or feeling, judging or perceiving. 1 letter from each category is taken to produce a 4-letter test result, like ISTJ or ENFP. Most of the research supporting the MBTI's validity has been produced by the Center for Applications of Psychological Type, an organization run by the Myers-Briggs Foundation, and published in the center's own journal, the Journal of Psychological Type, raising questions of independence, bias, and conflict of interest. Independent sources have called the test bullshit, little more than a Chinese fortune cookie, pretty much meaningless, and the fat that won't die. Though the MBTI resembles some psychological theories, it is generally classified as pseudoscience, especially as pertains to its supposed predictive abilities. The indicator exhibits significant scientific deficiencies, notably including poor validity, an example not measuring what it purports to measure, not having predictive power, or not having items that can be generalized, poor reliability, and giving different results for the same person on different occasions, measuring categories that are not independent. Some dichotomous traits have been noted to correlate with each other, and not being comprehensive due to missing neuroticism. The 4 scales used in the MBTI have some correlations with 4 of the big 5 personality traits, which is a more commonly accepted framework. Okay, how long have I been recording? 4 minutes about something. Okay. Is there anything more? Yeah, we'll continue a little bit with concepts. The MBTI was constructed for normal populations and emphasizes the value of naturally occurring differences. The underlying assumption of the MBTI is that we all have specific preferences in the way we construe our experiences, and these preferences underlie our interests, needs, values, and motivation. The MBTI manual states that the indicator is designed to implement a theory. Therefore, the theory must be understood to understand the MBTI. Fundamental to the MBTI is the theory of psychological type, as originally developed by Carl Jung. Jung proposed the existence of 2 dichotomous pairs of cognitive functions: the rational, judging functions, thinking and feeling, and the irrational, perceiving functions, sensation and intuition. Jung believed that for every person, each of the functions is expressed primarily in either an introverted or extroverted form. Based on Jung's original concepts, Briggs and Myers developed their own theory of psychological type, described below, on which the MBTI is based. However, although psychologist Hans Eysenck called the MBTI a moderately successful quantification of Jung's original principles as outlined in Psychological Types, he also said, the MBTI creates 16 personality types, which are said to be similar to Jung's theoretical concepts. I have always found difficulties with this identification, which omits one half of Jung's theory, he had 32 types, by asserting that for every conscious combination of traits there was an opposite unconscious one. End of sentence. Obviously, the latter half of this theory does not admit of questionnaire measurement, but to leave it out and pretend that the scales measure Jungian concepts is hardly fair to Jung. In any event, both models remain hypothetical, with no controlled scientific studies supporting either Jung's original concept of type or the Myers-Briggs variation. Yeah, there goes the alarm, because my pizza's ready, so I'm gonna end it here. I will not edit like the sound quality or anything. I will just now stop it, get some help, and upload it to YouTube. Have a great day. Bye.